His first shot at 800 yards. Just let us know when you're ready, John. We're going to see if we can hear it ding.
All right, I'm ready.
Send it.
Your fucking safety. Who uses a safety?
Here we go. Impact at 800 yards. That is friggin' awesome.
Pretty sweet.
Where'd you hit?
Low left.
Okay. Make an adjustment. Gonna send another one. Shot number 2, 800. Boom, man.
All right, you should be on the bullseye right there.
Was that a bullseye?
That was about a half an inch short of the bullseye.
Send one more.
All right, I'm gonna do a headshot.
Headshot, 800. Oh my gosh. That is friggin' sweet.